Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of AI Gen. So, as you guys already know, nowadays lots of young generations people are having cancer, but although they are really young, so do you guys know the reason? Let's find out with me today. So, everything about the cancer starts with the DNA. Think about it as your body's central data center. In every single day, your DNA is attached thousands of times by UV rays, free radicals, or those sketchy chemicals in street food. In the biochem deep dive, proto-oncogenes, imagine these are the class presidents who encourage cells to grow more. You can get taller, but when they mutate, they become an oncogenes, a villainous presidents. They scheme, multiply, and divide more, even when the classroom is already packed. So next is the tumor suppressor genes. Most famous one is p53, the guardians of the genome. Its job is to check the DNA at the G1 and S checkout. If the DNA is damaged, the p53 say that hold up and fix it. But if it's beyond repair, p53 it hits the self-destruct button. The twist is the cancer self, the one that assassinated p53 or simply ghost its warning. So they just break all the rules. Alright, so this part is from my fellow biochem nerds. Why do cancer cells crave sugar, glucose, too much? So normally our cell is very efficient. They use the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain to generate like roughly 36 to 38 ATP. It's an energy units from a single glucose molecularly. It's super clean. But the cancer cells, they like that's too complicated, so they would prefer lactase acids fermentation, even when there is plenty of oxygen around. They only obtain 2 ATP total waste, but why? So the biochem logic is because they need a metabolite intermediates from this process to do bricks, which is lipids and proteins, for their rapidly growing army of descendants. So they choose speed over efficiency. This is often called a Warburg effect, and this is exactly how doctors spot tumor using PET or CT scans. Okay, so moving on to the next part is the Steve mode and the blood sucking. So cancer cells, they have two annoying superpowers. First is the invisibility. They put up a one called I'm a good guy sign to trick to T cells, which is a mu police. They release a chemical signal that basically paralyzes the immune system attack. The next one is angiogenesis. As the tumor grows, it gets hungry, so it secretes a protein called VEGF. This protein sends out a command, build more supplies to me. Suddenly, the body's own blood vessels start feeding the enemy. So how do we actually shut down this rebellion? Scientists are using biochemistry to fight back. We have two targeted therapy, which is blocking the receptors that cancer cells use to receive the growth signals. The next one is immunotherapy, which is retraining the immune system to see through the cancer wish. But before you wait for the scientists, save yourself first. First, you stop straining your DNA. You have to get a good enough sleep, stop pulling all nighters. Second one is eat your antioxidants, greens, fruits to neutralize those free radicals that are more toxic than your eggs. And the third one, which is also the final one, is keeping moving boosts your aerobic metabolism. Do not let your body become a fermentation jar. In conclusion, biochem isn't hard. You just have to understand the drama inside your body. Hit the follow button to explore more body secrets with AI Gen. Bye bye.